Hi guys, so we have reached Seminyak and we are staying in Kembali Villas and our villa looks very spacious and big. Let me show you. Even I have not seen it from inside. I'll see along with you. This is the passageway and I'll show you now the villa. This is our villa. 3 rooms. That's the pool for us. That's the sitting area. Coming. This is one room. So it was our wedding anniversary and they have decorated it for the wedding anniversary, and there is also a cake inside. Then this is another bedroom. And the third one is that. How about that? So this is the living area. Good evening guys. So अभी रात हो गई है और हम सेमियाक में फिर से पार्टी के लिए आ गए हैं. And we have come to another best party bar lounge in Seminyak, which is called as Fins. This is one of the best and biggest party area of Seminyak and it looks amazing. I'll show you more. Stay tuned. Happy. And as you enter, you'll find this shop. First, they have everything from swimming costumes to beautiful dresses. And this is the entry. Oh my god guys, this place is so huge and so cool. यहाँ पे almost 3 बहुत बड़े बड़े pools हैं and जो मैंने पढ़ा था पहले और जो लोग बता रहे हैं there are almost 9 bars जिसमें से कि 2 आपके pool bars हैं and there are huge 3 party restaurants, gazebo and many more things. The whole party place is facing the seafront. There's a beach outside the whole party place and the whole day जब से ये open होता है so the whole day DJ is live and there are some other activities also. So I am amazed and I am thinking why didn't I come earlier. हम लोग बहुत लेट आए हैं but हमें थोड़ा और पहले आना चाहिए था so that we can spend more and more time here. garlic naan, and this is some chickpea ragda. And we have also ordered for some dal, then ordered for some Mexican food. Looks yummy. So guys, we are leaving now from Fins, and it was an amazing experience, out of the world experience. And exactly at 12 a.m. they close it. I mean, exact 12 a.m. they tell everyone to go out. Music band kar dete hain immediately. So yes, whenever you plan to come early. हम लोग थोड़ा late हो गए थे, but next time you should definitely plan to come early. And if you see, this is the world's best beach club, Fins. तो हम हैं यहाँ पर सेमिनियाक बीच में, एंड आज बहुत ही हाई टाइड है, तो बहुत डीप तो हम नहीं जा सकते हैं, बट देन वेदर इज़ लवली एंड बहुत ही मज़ा आ रहा है। Look at the view. और यहाँ पर कुछ लोग सर्फ भी कर रहे हैं। And these dogs came to have a dip. They had a nice dip. So people are also doing surfing there. See, you can see so many people there. They are actually doing surfing there. Okay guys, so हम हैं अपने family villa में, and we have got this amazing surprise for my and Sagar anniversary, that we have got this floating breakfast and cake cutting. So you also enjoy with us, and we are going to cut the cake. And let's hop! Woo! Look at this!
Happy anniversary!
Woo! Okay guys, so here we have got this floating beautiful celebration tray for our anniversary. So उसके लिए Camp Bali Villa have arranged this beautiful concept of floating cake and drinks for us. So guys, to you! Happy 5 years to you!
Many 5 Happy anniversary! 100 years to you!
Cheers guys, cheers! Have a great day, you guys. So we had great fun in the pool, and we cut the cake, enjoyed our 5th anniversary, and now we are heading towards having lunch, and then we'll go to Seminyak Square. We have heard that Seminyak Square is quite good here. I don't know exactly. I'll visit. and then decide that how is Seminyak Square. So यहाँ सेमिनियाक में भी हमने एक इंडियन रेस्टोरेंट ढूंढ लिया है बिकॉज हमने बहुत दिन से इंडियन नहीं खाया था. सो वी थॉट अच्छा एक बार तो इंडियन खा ही लेते हैं. सो नाउ वी हैव सर्च फॉर इंडियन restaurant in Seminyak, Bali, and the name is Indian Tandoor. So yes, I am hoping कि यहाँ का खाना अच्छा ही होगा. Let's see. So now we have come to Seminyak Square, which is famous here, and we want to roam around here and see why is this so famous. Along with Seminyak Square is the Seminyak village, which again is, you know, I have seen it on Google and it is like a closed mall. So let's see which one is better and what is the kind of experience here. So I've come to Crocs showroom here and यहाँ पर Crocs के डिज़ाइन इतने amazing हैं in comparison to what we have in India. It's so different and मेरा मन कर रहा है कि मैं पता नहीं कितने सारे फुटवियर्स ले लूँ जो कि मैं नहीं ले सकती हूँ. But yes, I am confused in between 3-4 pairs. So yes, it is taking some time to decide. लेकिन बहुत ही स्मार्ट पेयर्स है. I'm confused. I'm really. It's evening time and we have come on the beach again to watch this beautiful sunset. Oh, I am in love with it. You also enjoy it. So we had been doing this beach walk and from Kutada Kayu beach we are going now to the other beach. We could see lots of lights to the other side. बहुत सारी lights दिख रही थी दूसरी तरफ. तो हमने सोचा कि हाँ बहुत ही पास है और हमने सोचा कि चलो we should go and see what is there. लेकिन हम पिछले आधे घंटे से बीच पर चलते जा रहे हैं लेकिन हम अभी तक वहाँ पहुँचे नहीं हैं. So tired, but I'll show you what is there. This is the huge kite with Bali flag, colors of Bali flag, which they keep on flying whole day. And this is a huge kite, but when it is in sky it looks brilliant. I mean, amazing. And this is how they roll it. So here they also give surf lessons. बहुत सारे लोग यहाँ पे सर्फिंग कर रहे थे in the daytime also. छोटे छोटे बच्चे भी. These are the beachside resorts and bar and restaurants. So this is Potato Head Beach Club, which is very very famous in Seminyak, Bali, and we are also entering the same. It looks amazing. The entrance is very good. So here we can see this whole project of making best out of waste material, and there are the machines and they have displayed these final products also, which is really nice. They also have this entry of windows, waste windows, then rooftops of slippers. So yeah, it's nice to see the awareness around, and they are spreading the awareness. Look at this entrance.
तो दो वीडियो मिलानी पड़ेंगी.
Good morning guys. So we have got ready and now second last day of our trip. We are leaving for Nusa Dua today, and we had an amazing stay here in Camp Bali Villas. I'll post a separate video for the villas, and they had been really good when it comes to service and overall ambience of the villa. So yes, so we are going to Nusa Dua today and we have the private beach there और बहुत ही मज़ा आने वाला है. टेम्पल्स में हमने उल्लुवाटू टेम्पल और तानालॉट टेम्पल नहीं किया है बिकॉज़ बहुत ही ज़्यादा दूर है यहाँ से, एंड आई थिंक लाइक जो मुझे पर्सनली करना था, आई हैड टू डू तीर्थेम्पुल टेम्पल बिकॉज दैट वाज इन माय चेकलिस्ट सिंस लॉन्ग, लाइक सिंस ईयर. सो आई वाज वेरी हैप्पी डूइंग तीर्थेम्पुल टेम्पल. सो ये we'll enjoy in Nusa Dua, and also I'll see if I can do some water sports. Stay tuned. This is the waterfall inside the hotel and it looks so pretty. It's a huge waterfall. This foam party is also happening in Grand Mirage for kids. They have this small water slides here and then this foam party which kids are really enjoying. Hi guys, so we have now arrived in Nusa Dua. Arrived at Nusa Dua and we are staying in Grand Mirage Hotel. So it has its own private beach and also lot many activities which keep on happening. So you know, whole time when we were in Ubud and Seminyak, we were thinking that there are no such highways in Bali, and because there were crazy jams in between, and undoubtedly it is very beautiful, but the roads were, you know, really compact. So we were thinking that this is the main reason of the jam and there are no highways. However, there are highways in Nusa Dua and अभी जब हम सेमियाक से बाली आ रहे थे, नूसा दुआ आ रहे थे, so there were no traffic jams. So yes, and यहाँ पर काफ़ी बड़े बड़े रिजॉर्ट्स और होटल्स हैं जिनके अपने प्राइवेट बीचेस हैं. So let's explore Nusa Dua. On the beach, I saw this beautiful setup created for a romantic dinner for a beautiful couple, and this looks so good. These are the beachside restaurants on the way of Nusa Dua beach. Again, a setup for romantic dinner. The sea turtle eggs nest here. I don't know, I cannot see any eggs. But there is also a picture of a turtle. This setup is a western resort.
जो हम रेस्टोरेंट गए थे मीलिया बाली वगैरह, तो ये है, ये वाला जो है फारसा नासर दुआ, ये वो ठीक है ना.
इलायची को खा लिया था, इसको तो उसमें आधे आधे.
So some wedding is going on here, and again the setup is very nice, and I got a look at the bride from closer and she's looking lovely. For you. Happy birthday. May God bless you.
काट के खा ही रही है ना.
खूब तरक्की करो, खूब 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 पढ़ाई लिखाई करो। मैं खिला रहा हूँ खूब पढ़ाई लिखाई नहीं शादी का बोल रहा है।
Here's the 10th World Water Forum happening, and so there is so much of security and police around. Now we have come to the Bali Collective Mall. We thought that it's a mall, but it is not a mall, and it's an open market. Showrooms bhi hain. There are showrooms also, and there are open shops also. So yeah, I mean, if the weather is good, it's nice. If like today it's hot, so it's little hot. So this is like an open area of Bali collection, where there are a lot of eating outlets, lot of showrooms, lot of big showrooms related to art and craft, and they have done a lot of display again for World Water Forum 2024, which is happening nearby to this place. So lot of delegates are coming here who are attending the forum also. So yes, some eating outlets are very nice, and then these showrooms, big outlets which have all this stuff related to art and craft of Bali, and what all products are available here, starting from very small things like magnets, keychains, to sceneries, clothes, and artifacts. Some nice collection is here. So soaps, I mean wooden products, metal products, so many things are available here, and it's good to take a walk around. We'll take few things from here and then move forward. These are all the prints of Indonesian art, batik. ना पहनाती नहीं है. This is so pretty. Again, things made out of crochet art.
to my party, we're just getting started. A life is
ओके गाइस, सो आज है हमारा आखिरी दिन एंड फ़िलहाल हम नूसा दुआ ग्रैंड मिराज होटल से चेकआउट कर रहे हैं. द प्रॉपर्टी वाज रियली नाइस. इनका प्राइवेट बीच है एंड अलॉन्ग विद इट देयर इज़ अ प्राइवेट बीच एंड अलॉन्ग विद इट many activities. There are 3 level pools along with infinity pool, and kids pool is separate, and quite huge pools. They have also the in hotel waterfall, a lot of fishes inside the room. So overall experience is really good in Grand Mirage. लेकिन अगर आपको swim के लिए जाना है specifically, so this private beach is not for swim. You have to go to Nusa Dua beach, which is almost 20 kilometers, 20 minutes away from here. So you can just go to Nusa Dua beach and have a good swim there, because यहाँ पर water sports बहुत ज़्यादा होते हैं. So you know, there are like a lot of boats around जहाँ पे कि आपको you have to like, I mean पानी थोड़ा you know गंदा, थोड़ा सा polluted है पानी. So we went to Nusa Dua beach for the swim, and यहाँ पर हमने बहुत ही ज़्यादा enjoy किया. 3 rooms थे हमारे, तीनों में we got the complimentary cake along with fruits. So yes, rooms, I would say rooms are fine, but overall property is very nice. So great experience. And अगर मैं बात करती हूँ that in whole Bali, which are my favorite places, so I would say I loved Ubud as well as Seminyak, because Ubud is more of like, you know, being around the nature. I mean nature is also here in other places, but Ubud has all kind of landscapes. Ubud has mountains, waterfalls, then normal market, palaces, lot of architecture. Then Seminyak has great beaches, and also it has good markets and party places. So yes, my favorite 2 places are Seminyak and Ubud. And if you want to have you know, stay in like extremely luxury and expensive properties, and you know, then you can come to Nusa Dua. And also Nusa Dua beaches are quite clean and famous abhi ke liye currently, because Purnima was there. So during Purnima time, after afternoon, you know, the tides are really low, so we got less water around Nusa Dua, near the beach. Obviously inside there is a lot of water, but near the beach there's less water. So yeah, we had a great time in Bali. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you have got an idea about the itinerary which we followed in Bali, and also we stayed in some really nice properties. So you can also think of staying in these properties. Please share your experience about Bali if you have already visited Bali, and also if you are going to visit Bali, also mention there. You can also tag somebody who wants to go to Bali. Thank you very much. I am Anila Gupta signing out from Yaza Tales.
पोर्ट्रेट में लो.
So this is the luwak coffee which you mainly get in Indonesia only, and it has a special process which is also called as civet process or civet digestion. So it is like animal consumes the coffee beans inside and then it breaks down the protein in a way that the consistency of coffee modifies the flavor of the coffee. And I have never tried it, but people say it becomes different and very good in flavors, and also it is usually quite expensive in comparison to the normal coffee. So yeah, it's something which you get in Bali only or Indonesia. सो गाइस हमारा बीच में हॉल्ट था वापस आते हुए सिंगापुर में, एंड सिंगापुर का एयरपोर्ट तो ऑब्वियसली इज़ वन ऑफ द बेस्ट इन द वर्ल्ड. सो अभी हमारे पास बीच में 1.5 आवर का टाइम है. सो हम लोग अभी वन ऑफ द मोस्ट ब्यूटीफुल एयरपोर्ट इन द वर्ल्ड, सिंगापुर का चांगी एयरपोर्ट, हमने घूमा हुआ है ऑलरेडी एक बार पहले, बट हम दोबारा जाएंगे और चांगी एयरपोर्ट देखेंगे. This whole showroom is the tea showroom of Bacha Tea and Coffee. BACHA, I don't know what to call it, but look at this. It's so massive. So guys, I hope you have seen the whole video and liked a lot. So if you like it, please click on the like button, subscribe to our channel and share the videos with our friends. Show more and more of love so that we can keep you showing such kind of content. Thank you very much. From Yaza Tales, signing out.